I'm Julia from Cephable, and our app allows you to use facial expressions, voice controls, head movements, body gestures to do anything on your computer or your laptop that you would otherwise do with your keyboard and your mouse by mapping those controls. So what I wanted to talk about with you today is homework. So I'm a mom, and I know there's other parents out there who have trouble getting their kids to do their required homework. A lot of homework is on the computer these days, and sometimes it's simply just hard to get kids to do their homework, right? So I wanted to introduce you to Hudson. Hudson is a third grader, and I have a video of him doing a math fluency homework. You might recognize reflex math. And what the students are doing is they're supposed to type their memorized math facts as quickly as they can to memorize them. So in this video, Hudson is going to use Cephable, and instead of typing on the keyboard as you traditionally would do for the homework, he's given the power to choose, more autonomy, to say, I want to speak the answers to my homework tonight to my computer instead of typing them. So we've introduced novelty to him, we've increased his intrinsic motivation, and he can still do it cozy in his bed and get his homework done and just have a little bit more fun doing it. So let's take a quick look at the video of Hudson doing his homework with Cephable.
10, 5, 2, 3, 1.
As you can see, there's different games even within one game on his homework, and he uses voice commands on all of them just by simply using Cephable alongside his required homework. So we'll hope that you'll try using Cephable as well with your students in your classroom or parents at home with your own kids. We look forward to hearing what you come up with and what the kids think. Happy homework!